Hello everyone, it's Susan here, and today's video is about organization tips and tricks. So this is my craft space. That's where I do all of my crafting. I have planner stuff up there right now. I did start out with all of my December daily stuff over here, but I will explain what happened and why I moved it all. I'm going to turn around in the room here, why I have moved it all over to here. So here's my little chair. And yeah, so what had happened was, like, since mid-November, I was saving stuff. I was printing photos, I was saving ephemera, yeah, all that kind of stuff. So when I finally sat down to spend a day and get caught up, and it was on December 19th, so just a few days ago from when you're seeing this video, and I was like, I couldn't get through it. I just didn't know where anything was. I couldn't see anything because it was all piled up. So I brought down this folding table and I placed it on the other side of the room. Now I will not, oh, that's my sneaker is my door stop. That's why my sneaker's over there. Oh my gosh, I need to get like a real door stop. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm like, well, for me to do this and to do it successfully, right? Because I did like over a month's worth of photos on December 19th in one day, in about 12 hours. And the reason why is because of this. So I do have my Tim Holtz trimmer down here. Didn't even use it. But up here, I'm just gonna kind of take you through what I have here and how I organized it so that it would make sense to me and what I would do with each spread, right? So I have the 3x4 and the 4x6 pockets, as well as, you know, a whole page, 6x8 with the Snap album that I'm using. So with each little pocket, I would come over here with the photo and pick out paper and pick out my, you know, extra little pieces that I wanted to put on it. So it worked out really, really, really well. Let me start on this end. So these photos actually are all extras. So sometimes my little HP printer prints out like a double photo. And that's what those are. So they are there, and if I need to use them, I can. But I don't have any photos right now because I just did all of my photos, but I would put my photos over here, some of them upside down because I would date them and put them in date order from oldest to the newest, right? So I was able to very easily see what was coming up next. I do have on here our first ever December Daily Inspiration Group, Anything Goes Daily Prompt List. So I do have that here. I have an alpha there. It's mainly my enamel dots, and I do have some label stickers there. But I have them there, and that's what I've been using. And so, like, that's the other thing. Like, I have a lot of enamel dots. Like, I have a lot of this stuff, right? But if you have it all out, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, it's too much. So having an assortment, I probably have maybe 10 different sheets of enamel dots there. And that's what I'm using, period, right? That's it. Over here, I have my Simple Stories frames that I know I want to use. So they're there right in front of my face. I just put them there because I just found them again. So I'll use a bunch of those. I have my extra pieces of cut paper underneath it. I do have the wood veneer that I'm using. I have paper clips, and then I have my flare. back here, well, I have a stack of 3x4 cards and some 4x6 and stuff. But like right here, like all this right here, this is like stuff I know I want to use. So it's there. I can see it. If it matches what I'm working on, I'm going to use it. Right? And I've pulled a lot from that little stash. A lot. Now, I do have those dates, those numbers, but I really haven't been using them. I really haven't. So, yeah, I've been writing the dates on. But anyway, so over here, so I have like basically two different colorways. I have red and green and the, you know, red, black, and white generally, right? So I have my ephemera, I have my little, my extra pieces, right? I have any 12x12 papers. I have, I think, like a 6x8 pad there. And then over here, same thing, right? I have my stuff here. So if I decide I want to use something from here, I know it's all going to match. I have the little pad here, pattern paper, and then the die cuts. Over here, I have my washi. That's all the washi that I'm using is right there. That's it. Right? And then I have my little plastic organizer of my tags. And I have all different size tags in here. So if I know I need a little tag, you know, they're up front. And then they get bigger as they go back. So there's all different sizes and shapes right there. So this organization is what allowed me to do over a month's worth of photos in 12 hours. And not that everybody has this space. I totally get it. Totally 100% get it. But the point is, go through your stuff, organize by color, right? Organize your photos, have them date them, you know, print them, date them, have them in date order, have your washi together, your tags together, you know, any of your little flare or paper clips or anything like that. Just put everything together with like things, right? So I know if I need an enamel dot, I know exactly where I'm going. Right? If I need a wood veneer, I know exactly where I'm going, right? So it's easy peasy. So I hope that this was helpful, and let me know, you know, your workspace. Do you organize like this so that you can easily find things? And yeah, let me know that, and let me know if you're from the December Daily group. So I will have the link below if anybody's interested in joining the Facebook group, as well as, yeah, I think that this is great. This is for the Tuesday organization tip or tricks prompt. So come on over, check out all the prompts. We have prompts almost every day of the week, and a lot of awesome members and inspiration, and people share their YouTube videos, they share their pages, everybody comments, everybody's super awesome. So come on over to the Facebook group. And I'll end this with my little tree. Isn't she cute? And yes, there is my Hershey bar. Oh my gosh. All right. I hope this was helpful, and have a blessed week. Alrighty. Bye-bye.